Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. It's sandwich time, and today we're making a grilled chicken club sandwich. This is not just a filling sandwich, but really delicious too. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon and turn on all notifications. The first step for making the grilled chicken sandwich is to prep the chicken. So we are going to marinate the chicken in some garlic, a little bit of salt and some pepper. So just rub this and then let's start cooking the chicken. Add a little oil to the pan and then cook these chicken breasts till they are brown on both sides. One thing you may want to note is to make sure you cut the chicken slices a little thin. So that makes it juicier, it cooks faster, and that works better for the sandwich. Once the chicken is cooked, take it off the heat and let it rest and cool down a little. Now to make the sandwich, we of course need bread. So we need to toast the bread till it's brown on either side. You can apply a little butter if you want, otherwise you can dry toast it as well. Now for this sandwich, we need mayonnaise, and we are using a garlic mayonnaise. So we have already marinated the chicken with some crushed garlic, and we are also adding some crushed garlic into mayonnaise. So you can use regular store-bought mayonnaise for this, or you can use a homemade mayo. Add some crushed garlic along with some pepper into the mayo and mix it and keep it aside. So the chicken has cooled down, it has rested well. Let's now slice this for the sandwich. The last prep work needed for the sandwich before we start assembling is to cook eggs. Now, each sandwich requires one egg, so you can cook it either sunny side up, or how I like it is once it's cooked well at the bottom, just flip it and let it cook for another couple of seconds so that it's still a little runny in the center, but not really a sunny side up. So all the prep work for the sandwich is done. Let's now start assembling it. On one slice of toasted bread, let's apply garlic mayonnaise. And on this, place a few lettuce leaves and add the sliced chicken pieces on top of it. Place the second bread piece on top of this and then apply some mayonnaise again on this side. Again goes in some lettuce leaves. And some tomato slices on top. Sprinkle some salt and pepper to season the tomatoes. And add the fried egg on this. On the third slice of bread, apply mayonnaise again and keep the mayonnaise side down and close your sandwich. Gently press it down and then use 4 toothpicks and secure the sandwich. And then cut it into 4 triangles. The grilled chicken club sandwich is ready to be served, so I hope you enjoy it.